On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make $70 per hour online as a complete beginner without any skills, without investing any money, and without any experience. The best part of this method is that everything is free and you can do it wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come on this website, alison.com. On this website you can find free courses on anything that you like. So there are many courses that you can enroll for free on this platform. When you come right here, you can see they have courses in IT, health, languages, business, management, English, personal development, sales and marketing, engineering and construction, teaching and academics. So if you want to acquire skills in any of these categories, you can click on it and then enroll in a free course so that you can learn for free. You are not going to pay for anything. And the best part is that this website is available in 195 countries, as you can see it right here. After completion of your courses, you can earn a diploma or you can earn a certificate, as you can see it right here. So this is one of the best platforms that you can use to acquire any skills that you want. In this video, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to learn how to run Facebook ads or Google ads. So you can search for any of them. Let me just search for the Facebook ads. So let's search for Facebook as something like the Facebook ads. So we want to enroll in a course that will help us to acquire skills on how to run Facebook ads. So just search for Facebook ads. Once you search for Facebook ads, you can see right here, these are courses that you can enroll for free and then acquire the skills on how to run Facebook ads. You can see learn how to master Facebook ads for beginners and experts. You can see it right here. It will take you 5 to 6 hours to complete this course. You can see another one right here, Facebook advertising for beginners. It will take you 2 to 3 hours to complete the course. When you complete the course, you are going to earn a certificate that shows that you actually know how to run Facebook ads. You can see Google ads. If you want to learn how to run Google ads, you can also enroll right here. If you enroll in any of these courses, it can take you just 1 day to complete the course. As I scroll, you can see a lot of different courses that you can enroll in and then acquire a skill for free. You can see a lot of them. So now what you have to do is that you have to click right here so that you can sign up for an account. So once you sign up for an account, you can get access to the course. So let me just log in to show you. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. You can see this is my account. You can see it right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to search for any of the courses that you want to learn. For example, we want to learn how to run Facebook ads. So just search for Facebook ads, something like Facebook ads. So once you type your search term, just search for it so that you can find the courses. As you can see, these are the courses. You can see them. So now what you have to do is that you have to enroll in the course so that you can learn. So just click on start learning now. Once you click on start learning, you are going to enroll in the course for free. You are not going to pay for anything. You can see I have just been enrolled in the course, and you can see this is the introduction of the course. You can see it right here. You can see this is the outcome of the course. So if I'm able to complete the course, this is what I'm going to acquire as a learner. So you have to just click right here to move to the next video. So once you learn, you have to click on it so that you can continue to the next video. As you can see, this is the video. It is an introductory video. So when you click on it, they are going to show you what you are going to acquire.
Learn how to master Facebook ads for beginners and experts.
That is the introduction. So if you want, just click right here so that you can move to the next one. As you can see, this is overview of the course. You can see it. So let's click on it so that you can see. When you click on it, and you can see race, behavior, interest. So these are some of the things that you are going to be seeing when you are running Facebook ads. So this particular course will help you get in-depth understanding of all these things. So just keep on scrolling so that you can acquire the skills on how to run Facebook ads. As you can see, they are showing you everything. So this is a video, 14 minutes video that you can watch to acquire the skills. So you have to keep on watching the video so that you can complete the course. So now once you complete the course, the next step is that you have to make money with this skill that you have acquired. You have to trade your knowledge for money. To trade your knowledge for money, what you have to do is that you have to come on this website, upwork.com. This website is a marketplace where freelancers sell their services. So now that you have acquired the skills on how to run Facebook ads or Google ads, you can sell it on this platform and you are going to be making money. Let me just search for Facebook ads for you to see. let's say Facebook ads. Let me just search for it for you to see. Once you search for Facebook ads, you can see this one is saying senior Google ads, ad work expert, and the rest. So if you want Google ads, you can also learn the course on alessin.com. You can see pay per click advertiser. This person is charging $25 per hour. When you scroll down, you can see this person is charging $13 per hour. You can see same professionals, pay per click, PPC. You can see Facebook ads and Google ads. So if you acquire the skills, you can also list your service right here so that you can be hired. As I scroll, you can see many others that are selling their service. You can see this person right here is charging $75 per hour, and you can see in lifetime the person has earned $4K. As you can see, when you scroll down, you can see many others. This person is charging $10 per hour, and you can see in lifetime the person has earned $5K. As you can see it right here. When you scroll, there are many others. You can see this one, Facebook ads expert. The fellow is charging $70 per hour, and you can see in lifetime the person has earned $50,000 on this platform. So there are many others. As I scroll, you can see Facebook ads. This person is charging $55 per hour. So the amount of money that you are going to charge per hour depends on you. If you want to charge higher, you can do so. If you want to charge lower, you can do so. As you can see, this person has earned $20,000 in lifetime working on this platform. So this is a simple way that you can also use to make money online. You can see this person is charging $75, and the fellow is an expert in Google ads, Facebook ads, and then paid advertising. So you can acquire all these skills on alessin.com for free. You don't need to pay for anything. As I scroll, you can see many others who are making money on this platform. When you come on page 2, there are many others who are also using this same formula to make money from home without investing any money. You can see this person right here is charging $10 per hour. As I scroll, you can see $15 per hour. You can see this one is $35 per hour. You can see $35. You can see $60 per hour. You can see this person right here, Facebook ad and Instagram ad expert. This fellow is charging $175 per hour. And you can see in lifetime the fellow has earned $1 million using this same service. You can see it right here. It's a simple method that you can also use to make money from home. So make sure you go and acquire the skills and then come right here so that you can sell your services and then make money. Apart from Upwork, you can also sell your services on Fiverr.com and then make money. The opportunities are endless. So let me just search for Facebook ads so that you can see what people are doing on this platform. As you can see, once you search for Facebook ad, you can see a lot of people who have listed their gigs on this platform. You can see this person, I will set Facebook and Instagram ad for leads and sales. This person is charging $150. You can see this person is charging $50. This person is charging $65. As I scroll, you can see a lot of people who are using these same services to make money. You can see a whole lot of them. As you can see, this person is charging $140. Now let me just click on one of them so that we see how much people are making per day using this particular strategy. So let's click on this one right here. As you can see, this person, this is the gig, and you can see the fellow has had 335 reviews, and you can see the fellow has 28 orders in queue now. That means the fellow has 28 jobs that he has to perform to earn money today. You can see it right here, $28 in queue. When you come right here, the fellow is charging $55 for the basic package. When you come to the standard package, the fellow is charging $190. When you come to the premium package, the fellow is charging $270. As you can see, this is very easy to do, so you can equally acquire the skills and then list it right here. So now let's calculate how much this fellow is going to make. You can see 28 orders in queue, and you can see the delivery time is 7 days, so that is 1 week. So we are going to calculate how much this fellow is going to make in 1 week. So let's multiply 28 by 55. So let's have 28 multiplied by 55. So as you can see, this fellow can make $1,540 in a week if all the orders are in the basic package. If all the orders are in the standard package, you can see the delivery time is still 7 days. So let's multiply 190 by 28. So let's multiply 190 by 28. As you can see, this fellow can make up to $5,320 per week using the same strategy that I'm showing you. Let's come to the premium package. You can see $270 multiplied by 28. Let's multiply $270 by 28 orders. So if all the orders are in the premium package, this fellow is going to make up to $7,560 in a week. So this is a very good strategy that you can also use to make money as a complete beginner without any skills. So make sure you go and enroll in the course. Once you enroll in the course and then acquire the skill,